such a great talk with you at the events. Tell us about your background, CJ.
Yeah, sure, man. So I'm CJ. I first got involved in the crypto space around 2014. When I was a kid, I took part in the Proton Mail beta, and it sparked my interest in Bitcoin and a whole host of things.
Yeah.
But I was very young, but I've definitely been interested, from an early age. When I was 10 years old, I tried to raise 600K for a digital casino.
No way.
But obviously I was 10 years old, so I got in trouble. I was sending out my pitch deck and calling people up, but it didn't go to plan anyway, so failed that startup. And then in 2017, I started trading perps on BitMEX with my pocket money, lost it all.
Perpetual, huh?
Yeah, exactly, man, exactly. And then lost all my pocket money, basically.
Yeah.
And a couple of years ago, I really started to understand the importance of Ethereum.
Yeah.
And so for over 1 year now, I've been full-time building in NFT DeFi space.
Cool.
Built one of the first 5 ever DeFi NFT projects that made it to the Ethereum main network last year.
Yeah.
Was trading in NFT space, building in NFT space when daily transaction volume was 80,000 US per day.
Cool.
Now it's over 200 million.
Yeah.
And then for the last 5 months, been jamming with my co-founder Rev and the rest of the team.
Very cool.
Working really hard on Atlantis World, man.
Yeah, now that this Atlantis World has a vision of DAO to think about the metaverse, that should have even its own nation of currency and value and asset.
Yeah,
Tell us more about it. Yeah.
Absolutely, man. So we're building a lightweight metaverse with social features. So first of all, imagine pixel metaverse in the web browser, and then add encrypted texture and spatial video and audio conferencing to that. And then build it on top of Web3 building blocks. So you can go into a digital bank building and deposit into DeFi protocols, or you can go into a town hall building and vote in DAOs, or you can visit gamified NFT marketplaces.
Yeah.
So we want to build fully Web3 enabled, incredibly accessible, for everybody from anywhere in the world in the web browser, so that they can go and interact with crypto applications in a gamified way, interact with their friends, and also earn incentives for interacting with those crypto applications. So imagine MMO RPG style learn to earn quest,
exactly,
where you can visit an island. We're calling it Harmony Nation. Me and Stephen were chatting about this yesterday.
Totally.
You're going to be able to visit Harmony Nation. Basically, it's going to be an island inside of Atlantis World.
Right.
All of the land parcels, buildings are tokenized natively on Harmony.
Yep.
All of the dApps, protocols and products and buildings, even DAO clubhouses that populate the kind of nation, the ecosystem, the island, are all going to be native to Harmony. And you can have a whole lot of fun there. It's going to be great.
Yeah, I love the passion, especially the pitch. It really helps that you start when you're age 10.
Yeah, it's 10,
and you really know how to
10.
tell a story with passion, then infusing it. How can Harmony help to make this metaverse happen?
So I was really inspired yesterday by all of the talks, especially by Stephen at the Harmony One conference here in Lisbon. I really loved it, and I almost I wanted to stand up and grab the mic and summon a DAO right then, but I didn't want to hijack too much. So we're going to be launching a DAO. We're going to build Harmony Nation inside of Atlantis World in a completely decentralized way, where we're going to invite Harmony core contributors, community members, anybody that wants to get involved in this, that's passionate about Harmony, passionate about decentralization, loves building in crypto, maybe hasn't even built anything yet, but loves the idea of it and would like to get involved. We want to actually launch a DAO and build this thing kind of all together as a huge community effort and have Harmony Nation live in Atlantis World, hopefully in Q2 next year.
Love it. Let's DAO it together.
Let's do it, man. Let's DAO it. Awesome.